Dear friends, today I'm taking you on a tour of a raw material warehouse at Shanxi Baolongda Forging. We have wide variety of specifications and types, including 800mm round steel, 450mm thick plates, 150mm square steel, 150mm round steel, 200mm, 600mm, and more. Everything you need. We don't just produce flanges, we also make forgings, pressure vessels, both standard and non-standard, as well as teeth, flanges for petrochemical pipelines, and even special flanges for underwater use. Welcome to place your orders.